In this video, you'll learn how to run a phenobarbital test on your Catalyst One Chemistry Analyzer. The process for running this test is slightly different from running other catalyst tests because it contains a slide and a slide wash. To run a phenobarbital test, you'll need a patient sample, which can either be 700 microliters of whole blood in a Catalyst lithium heparin whole blood separator or 300 microliters of plasma or serum in a Catalyst sample cup. You'll also need pipette tips, a phenobarbital slide, and phenobarbital slide wash. Note: phenobarbital slides can be run with other chemistry and electrolyte slides and/or clips. After you've initiated the sample run on the IDEXX Vet Lab station, it's time to load the materials into the Catalyst One Analyzer. First, ensure the pipette tip area of the drawer is full. Next, load the sample. Then, load the phenobarbital slide. Next, on the right side of the drawer, load the phenobarbital slide wash into the front cup holders. Close the sample drawer and then press the Start button. For more information on Catalyst One general workflows, go to idexlearningcenter.com/Catalyst One.